7:15 and it's first day of 2019. I've just come in to open up TinkerTank for the first time for a year that I hope will be amazing. All right, here we go. Oh boy, there's a little bit of a mess I have to clean up. This one's on. Everything's good. All the gear is there. Now let's get set up. So I'm just setting up for the day. We're expecting, I think, about probably only about 10 students today, but that does make a difference. The most important thing is that I really connect with the mentors and get them to understand that that their patience and their understanding is probably the most important thing here. It's not all about the technology. So I'm just going to give them a little life lesson on compassion and patience. Wish me luck.
I'm good to go.
Hey, hold on, he's going backwards now. Well, that was a pretty crazy day. Day 1 of 2019.